Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make pie because technically it's still Pie Day on the West Coast, March 14th. It's 9 o'clock right now. When I post it, it probably won't be Pie Day. And when you see this, it probably won't be Pie Day, but just know that it was Pie Day when I shot this. Okay, so I'm gonna make this sweet potato and marshmallow pixie pie mix from Trader Joe's. It's my first time making it. I'm not a chef, I'm not a baker, I'm not a cook, but I did get my food handler's card about 2 weeks ago. I had to get that for a job, so that kind of makes me somewhat of a professional. Okay, so we're gonna be making pie today, so stick around. So first thing, read the directions. Preheat oven to 350, and I did make sure I have all the ingredients. We need 3 tablespoons of cold water, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of butter melted, and 1 pouch of marshmallow spread, which is in this. So preheat oven to 350. Lightly grease an 8-inch round cake pan with non-stick cooking spray. I don't have a cake pan. I have cupcake tins. So we're gonna make miniature pies. Can't really see it, but you saw me take a shot out there, so yeah. And I did wash my hands before I did this, so okay. Hopefully this is enough. And hopefully it actually turns out good with being in a cupcake tin. So I guess we should grease this. Okay. Whisk together filling mix, water, egg, and 4 tablespoons. So let me get that together first because I didn't get that together before I pressed record. So I'm going to get that together, then come back and whisk it together. Okay, so we have everything. The filling mix, we'll have to get water, egg, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. It's butter, so yeah. Okay, so let's whisk it together. First I'm going to put in the butter. Then I'm going to get the 3 tablespoons of cold water. Egg. and the filling. It smells good. I think this bowl is too small, but we'll make do. Okay, I'll get a bigger bowl. Told you guys I wasn't a chef. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna stir this and then be back to show you how I'm making the crust. So here's the filling. Looks really, really good. It's stirred better in a bigger bowl. So we'll put that to the side. Now we have our crust mix and 4 more tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, so I'm going to melt the butter, this butter, and so I melt the butter. So after we make the crust, we have to put it in the, well, for me, the cupcake tins. And then bake it in the oven for 8 minutes. Okay, let's make the crust. Be right back. Our melted butter. So let's just stir it. Smells good. I love pie crust. So good. So this is how it's looking. Okay, and then I'm gonna press it into the cupcake tin. And now I'm gonna put this crust mix, press it inside each of the tins. So this is the first one. You can see it a little clear. Looking good. Looking good, smelling good. Okay, I'll do this one. and we'll continue, and then I'll cut it back on when I'm gonna put all of this in there, bake it for 8 minutes, and then I'll resume. Okay, so the crust is still baking. I think we have 1 minute left. Smells good. And then after it's done baking the crust, then we put the filling inside of that. And then we put the marshmallow on top. So let me go ahead and cut this open while we wait. I also washed dishes while we waited. Okay, so that's done. Let me take it out. So good. Looks so good. So that's just, I don't want to mess it up, but that's just the pie crust. Okay, and now I'm going to put the filling, this filling inside the pie crust. So I'm going to start one, and then we'll cut it to the marshmallow. So there. That's one, and then we'll come back and put the marshmallow on. Just one. Here, if I can show you. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I don't want to drop this. But around the last one, up there. There it is. Okay. I'm going to put this last filling in that. And this whole box filled up all of these cupcake tins. So we're going to have little mini pies. And then the last thing we do is put this marshmallow spread over this. I'm going to only put a little bit, like per thing. So that's one. That's one. Smells so good. Guys, I'm so excited. I haven't made anything like this ever. There, I have a few more. And this is done. We're going to bake it for 28 to 32 minutes. So I'll check on it in like 25 minutes. This is about to be bomb. This is about to be so good. And it's raining outside now, so it's a perfect little raining time treat. It's marshmallow. Okay, so it says put it in there. We'll check back in 25 minutes. And then after we check back, well, it comes out in 32 minutes and then it has to cool for 30 minutes. So that'll be about an hour. But for you guys, it won't be that long. Obviously, it's just one video. But the last thing I'm going to show you is the final result. Okay, so stick around. Okay guys, it's done. It's been cooling for about 25 minutes now and I can't wait any longer. So here it is. Looking all good. So I'm going to taste it. So I guess I didn't put enough oil or something, but anyway. You can, I guess, peel it off like that. Yeah. This is very, very good. So, whatever. I'm making a mess, kind of, but so good. I like that the crust is buttery, crisp. So good. It tastes it tastes a little bit like pecans. Very, very, very good. It's kind of breaking apart because of the way I put it in there, or the way that it's in cupcake form, but it still comes out like whole. So good. Sour and chewy. Very good and chewy. I'm gonna get another one and eat it. Also, I'm wearing this shirt wearing this shirt says I'm hungry. You can get it at the website in the description below. And I might make more videos where I'm cooking stuff because I need to cook more often. So let me know if you guys like it, if you've tried this before. And maybe I should have put more oil in there. But either way, it's still coming off. It's just taking a longer time. And it tastes good. Okay, so see you next time. Kelly's having some. How is it, Kelly? It's delicious. Tastes like fall in the spring. It's marshmallow.